in this booth, and they drop the temperature down to about 130 degrees, like minus 130 degrees, and then you go in there and it's cold as hell. It's only 3 minutes, and it goes by really quickly, and towards the end you're just ready to like jump out of the booth.
Feel really good after.
Oh, I bet you feel really good after.
Should we give him the boost?
And I feel really good. The first thing I noticed right away was starving. Like I needed to eat now.
I don't want to feel anything more from you. Okay, honey.
We did it!
You did it!
Oh my
I'm not
god!
a fan of the winter activities.
No, but it was...
But you did it. You didn't make us
I'm
stop
so
it.
horny right now.
I feel like this really weird, peculiar sensation that's like really good energy, buoyancy, upliftment. I would do it again. It could be addictive.